evening, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the Tennis Premier League, I extend warm welcome to each one of you gathered here for this exciting and memorial farewell ceremony. Come on, guys, give it a big hand for this final ceremony. Today is not about crowning a champion, it's about the celebration, the passion, dedication, and sport membership that the player, captain, coordinator, and supporter has brought this beautiful game. This season we have witnessed incredible teamwork, intense complication, and the moments that will be stay in our hearts for a long time. Every match showed the true spirit, cricket, discipline, respect, and the hungers to improve. Whether it's the word last over, finish in the accepted comeback on the standout individual performance. Each team played with pride and determination. To our finalists, FCC Kuwait and Alliance Oriental.
Too much it is you have to keep it low. No problem.
It's okay? No, it's okay. Let's see. You have to display the outstanding crickets, guys. Especially I talked to FCC Kuwait and Alliance elements. We have thanks to all organizer, umpire, and volunteer to the coordinator whose hard work for the behind the scene, sleepless day, and hard work made this event smooth and successful. Without your commitment, even this would be possible. So I will not take your all too much times. I will go now to directly for the award ceremony. So thanks first to giving the opportunity and trust me to lead for the TPL season 4's members. Also congratulations to my community members made successful this season. Thanks to all community supports men. The name is Vinesh, Lijo, Rajit, Asif, Arun, Jain, Vishnu, and Subhabalan. Come on, guys, give it a big hand for the hard work and make this tournament successful to all of you. I would also thanks to all guests who is here. Chippy, Rengez, Ragnes,
Anvesh.
Anvesh, Warriors, Anup, Royal Trivandrum, and no, okay. Special thank also for the designers who the designs our trophy and the you can see our background with the man of the match. No, is umpire.
No. Yeah, that's something. Salman and
Yeah. For Salman and Shabir. Thanks, audience. Also, all of you. Thanks. So we are going for next appreciation token. Who is the give the time here in the all leagues, quarter, semi, and final umpire appreciation. First, Pintu, Godwin. Please, Godwin, Pintu and Godwin. Nitesh, Azir, Arshad.
what is this? Jenu Balan.
Jenu Balan. Thanks to all of you to being as a good umpiring and make our tournament is successful. Our next award ceremony, man of the match trophy in quarter final. I would like to call Faisal Falcon. Sir, Faisal Falcon, please come on the stage to give the man of the match trophy.
Nikhil champions.
Nikhil champions. We skip. Nikhil champions, please come on the stage for give the man of the match trophy in quarterfinals. FCC Kuwait versus MIB. Ansal Nazar, man of the match. FCC Kuwait versus MIB, Ansal Nazar. 100 runs. Congratulations. Congratulations, Ansal. Second, Ayash 11 versus R&B. Suman Raj, 1 run and 5 wicket. Come on, guys. Suman Raj, give her the big hand. Suman Raj, come on the stage. This man of the match quarter final. Thirds, MSC versus Kunnur RCC. Kannur CC, Safir Sefi, 51 run and 0 wicket. Safir, nobody here? Anyone? Who will take his prize? Hassan, okay. Come on, guys, give him a big hand. It's not easy to play in this weather. 4 B86 versus Hangover. Mohammad Razin, 72 runs and 1 wicket. Mohammad Razin. थोड़ा जल्दी करेंगे तो और भी अवार्ड सेरेमनी को आगे बढ़ाएंगे. Anyone take his prize? Mohammad Razin, 72 runs. This is last man of the match in quarter final. Thank you and congratulations. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time. Next awards, man of the trophies, man of the match trophy semi-final. We would like to call Sonu Balan G4. Please come on the stage to give the man of the match trophy in semi-final. Sonu Balan G4. So, man of the match trophy semi-final, Ayansh versus Kannur CC. Any guess? Any guess, guys? Who is the man of the match? Suman Raj, 28 run and 4 wicket. सुमन राज. अयांश की तरफ से तालियां नहीं आ रही है, क्या बात है? आप भी रनर अप रहे हैं, बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी आपके लिए. डोंट वरी, एंजॉय योर अवार्ड. तो ये मैन ऑफ द मैच रहे सेमीफाइनल के सुमन राज. दूसरा सेमीफाइनल B86 वर्सेस FCC कुवैत. अंसल नजर, 43 run and 3 wicket. Congratulations, Anshul. Well, always. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your time. Our next present golden performance, most century. I would like to call Nitesh Devdas. Please come on the stage for give this award. Golden performance, most century. First, Salman Sardar RCC Tampala. Salman Sardar RCC Tampala. No one here? Okay. Aryan Amigos by Amigos. Aryan Amigos by Amigos team. Nobody here? Okay. Congratulations, Aryan. Third, Salman Munde RCC Tampala. Nobody here? Okay. Number 4, Muhammad Ghosh, Rising Star. Muhammad Ghosh, Rising Star. Anyone here? No? Muhammad Ghosh, Rising Star. Congratulations. Fifth, Faris Al-Mullah, MIB. Faris Al-Mullah, most century. प्यारा सा चेहरा आपका, मुस्कान अच्छी है, मुस्कुराइए. राकेश कुमार मंदा, ग्रीन नेपाल. Rakesh Kumar Manda, Green Nepal. Nobody else? 7. Suman Raz, Ayansh 11. Come on, Suman Raz. You cannot wait. Just stay here. You have a lot of award, bro. Congratulations. Shahrukh Khan, King Star. Shahrukh Khan, King Star. Where is Shahrukh Khan? No. 9th, Anshul Waluparambil Nazar, FCC Kuwait. Anshul Nazar. क्या बात है? Ashanka Silva, MIB. Most century, Ashanka Silva, MIB. Kapil Singh Hangover CC. Kapil Singh Hangover CC. Come on, sir. 12th, Piyush Hussain. Ayansh 11, Piyush Hussain, most century. 13, Sudeepa from Dasma CC. Anyone here? Dasma CC? Dasma CC. Sudeepa. ये अच्छा है. Anas, rising star, most century. Anas, rising star. Anas, सारे वार्ड आप ही ले लो आज. Abdul Muiz, FCC. Come on, guys. Next, award, yeah, finish. That's it. Next award from Golden Performance, 6 sixes of 6 ball.
No.
There is nobody there. Okay, sorry. Golden Performance for Hat-Trick Hero. I would like to call Muhammad Shah. Please come on the stage for give this award. Muhammad Shah. Golden Performance Hat-Trick Hero. Shirish Kumar, MBCC, one time. Shirish Kumar from MBCC. Anyone? Anyone? Shirish Kumar from MBCC, one time hat-trick. He got. Muhammad Hajubar, rising star. Muhammad Hajubar, rising star. Hat-trick hero. आप यहीं रहो, जाओ नहीं उधर, यहीं रहो. आप सारे अवार्ड आप ही ले लो. And next, third, hat-trick hero. Any guess, guys? Suman Ras from Ayansh 11. I told you, bro, don't go far away. Stay just here. You have a lot of awards. Come on, congratulations. Suman Ras. Vignesh bhai, Suman Ras. Suman Ras collect award from Muhammad Shah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Now, golden performance of most sixes. I would like to call Arun Raj. Come on, please come on the stage, Mr. Arun Raj. Arun Raj. Arun Raj. Arun Raj, please come on the stage. Arun Raj. Golden performance most sixes. Sudeepa from Dasma CC. Total 46s in 8 matches. Sudeepa from Dasma CC. Total 46s in 8 matches. Thank you, sir. Now I would like to call CK7. Please come on the stage. CK7. CK7, please come on the stage. Golden performance most 4. Okay. Any guess, guys? Most 4? Abdul Muiz from FCC Kuwait. 52-4 in 9 matches. Congratulations. क्या बात है. इस बच्ची की प्यारी सी एक मिनट रुकिए आप. इस बच्ची को कैप्चर करें भाई, प्यारी सी. उधर देखिए बेटा, उधर. Congratulations to him. Now golden performance for most catches. I would like to call Joby. Please, Joby, come on the stage. Joby, please come on the stage. No?
Okay. Just call Abdul.
Please, Abdul, come on the stage to give the award. Why are you shy, bro? Okay, Vinesh, you give the award. Most catches goes to Nizam Khizur from Rising Star. 9 catches in 10 matches. Nizam Khizur. Okay, next. Now, golden performance. It's most fastest century. Okay. Golden's performance for fastest century.
आप दोगे what? आप दोगे?
Any guess? Fastest century? Any guess? Piyush from Ayash 11's 100 run in 31 ball. Come on, Piyush.
Nobody did.
JP, please come on the stage. To give this award, Golden Performance Fastest Century, Piyush from Ayash 11's 100 run only in 31 ball. Congratulations to him for this opportunity. Now, Golden Performance for Fastest 50. Nobody there.
Also nobody.
Golden Performance Most Dot Ball.
You want to win? Who comes?
Jitendra, come on the stage. Come on the stage. Don't be shy. Jitendra. Sajir from Red and Black. 10 matches, 78 dot ball. Sajir. Red and Black. From team Red and Black. Please. Anyone, please come fast. Please come fast. Golden Performance Most 5 wicket. I would like to call Chepi. Sir, Chepi, please come on the stage. Chepi, sir, please come on the stage. Golden Performance Most 5 wicket is the big award. Azir Muhammad from Team Hangover. 8 matches, 2 times. 8 wickets, sorry. Golden Performance Best Wicket Keeper. I would like to call in the stage Asif Stone Rider. It goes to Cyril Matthew from Desert Lions. Golden Performance Best Wicket Keeper. Cyril Matthew from Desert Lions. 13 catches in 8 matches. Anyone? Congratulations. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Golden Performance Best Bowling Figure. I would like to call here to give this award Azim.
No, it's over, right? Best bowling figure. Best bowling. Yeah.
Azim on the top to give this award. Azim JT Chopri. Azim
नहीं है यहाँ आप हैं?
This award goes to Muhammad Arafat, MIB, 6 runs, 7 wicket. 6 runs, 7 wicket. Muhammad Arafat. Congratulations, bro. Golden Performance, highest individual score. I would like to call on the stage Yahya.
Best bowling.
Yahya, please come on the stage. You have to give this award. Golden Performance, highest individual score. Mr. Piyush Hussain, Zakir Hussain from Ayash 11, 155 run. Come on, guys, give him the big hand. $155 runs. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
Best bowling performance. Best bowling performance.
Where is another top bowler?
Arfat.
अरफात को दे दिया मैंने.
Yeah, just one more.
Best bowling.
I would like to Azim. Azim, please come on the stage. Azim, once again. Azim, JT. Azim, please come on the stage. Best bowling performance award goes to Arafat. Come on, guys. Now, the next award, Golden Performance Highest Team Total. I would like to give this award.
क्या लिखा आपने? सनूफ.
Anup, please come on the stage to give this award. Anup, Golden Performance Highest Team Total. Team MIB 293 runs and 2 wickets. Team MIB. Anup. अगला अवार्ड वो है जिसका आप सबको इंतजार है, हमको भी इंतजार था, वहां तक मैं पहुंचा हूं। गोल्डन परफॉर्मेंस मैन ऑफ द सीरीज। कुछ
गेस है किसी को?
निजाम फ्रॉम एनआरएस 832 पॉइंट, टीम राइजिंग स्टार, मैन ऑफ द सीरीज निजाम। Shodan Ayans, please come to the stage. Shodan Ayans to give this award. Shodan, please guys. तो मैन ऑफ द सीरीज रहे हैं KPL सीजन 4 के निजाम फ्रॉम NRS, 832 पॉइंट इनके। नाउ प्लीज गो फॉर टॉप 10 बॉलर।
इनको देने के लिए किसको बुलाना है? हाँ, किसको अवार्ड कौन देगा?
Vishnu, I will like to request you to give this award. Top 10 bowler. I will start from first. Mohammad Arfat from MIB. First. Bashir Kolathingal from Champions. Top 10. Okay. Mohammad Arfat, Bashir, Salim.
This is from the top 9. Okay, Arfat. 1 minute. This is top first. We have to call from the down.
Okay.
Now start from first.
We top the first ball. We have to call from.
Naveen Kumar from Telugu Titans. Naveen Kumar from Telugu Titan. Top 10 bowlers from number 10. Naveen Kumar for Telugu Titans. Anyone here? Nobody. Number 9. Azir Muhammad from Hangover CC. Azir Muhammad from Hangover CC. Number 8. Muhammad Hazubar from Rising Star. Yahya Shamsuddin from FCC Kuwait, 8 matches and 14 wickets. Chinni from Tamil Falcon. Ismail from FCC. Celebration होना चाहिए. Come on guys, begin with a big hand. क्या बात है? Rijaz Manaf from Red and Black. Salim from Kannur CC.
No.
Done. Finish. Top 10 batsmen now. We give to Mohammad Arafat.
Number 1 Mohammad Arafat from MIB.
This is the first batsman, Lijora.
Lijora.
Lijora. We have to call from
Okay.
the south.
He's give the award now.
I would like to call Lizora. Storm Rider, please come here on the stage to give this top 10 batsman award. Lizora. Lijo. Sorry. माफी चाहते Lijo. थोड़ा सा Lijo.
वही है? Okay. From 10 से ना?
Top 10 batsman. Number 10 Falsu Usman from Jahara King. No. Piyush Hassan again from top 10 batsman. Number 9 from Ayans 11. Congratulations Piyush. तुम अपने लिए ट्रक लेकर आओ सारी ट्रॉफी ले जाने के लिए. Ragi Vivian from Champion. Ragil from Champions. Ragil from Champions. Come on fast. Anyone? Liaquat Ali Muhammad from Adil Warriors. Anas EVK from Rising Stars. Akhil Anil Kumar from Red and Blacks. Nizam from Rising Star. Ranjit Chandal from MBCC. Sudeepa from Dasma CC. Abdul Muiz from FCC Kuwait. 389 runs. Number one batsman is Abdul Muiz, FCC. 9 matches, 389 runs.
थर्ड तो कुछ है नहीं. There is nothing.
Let's conclude.
And what about this runner-up and
They have to,
no first give award after
yeah.
first give to runner-up.
Okay. Now, I would like to call Captain Ayaz. Please come on the stage to get your trophy. Captain Ayaz. रन अप रहे हैं कैप्टन अयाज. अयाज 11 के धुरंधर आए सर. हार्ड लक, कोई बात नहीं. ये भी बहुत बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी है कि आप यहाँ तक आए. कुछ सवालात जिसका आप सामना करेंगे आपसे.
भाई ए नवे ये म्यूजिक बंद करिए.
कुछ सवालात भाई. प्लीज गाइस गिव मी अटेंशन प्लीज. कैन आई हैव योर अटेंशन प्लीज. कैन आई हैव योर अटेंशन प्लीज. आपसे मैंने शुरू में भी इंटरव्यू किया था, कुछ सवालात पूछे थे. आप ये बताइए आपका टर्निंग पॉइंट कहाँ था जहां से आप यानी बैकफुट पे गए.
हम लोग का बैकफुट जो बैटिंग साइड पे जो 93 पे 5 थे.
93 पे 3 थे.
नहीं 5 थे.
5 थे.
93 पे 5 थे. उधर से जो हम लोगों ने कोलैप्स किया और जो 5 विकेट गवाए वो हमारा टर्निंग पॉइंट है. क्योंकि
नहीं, एक टर्निंग पॉइंट बताइए जो ज्यादा बड़ा लगा हो आपको.
नितिन और जैकी का जो विकेट था और एक जो
जैक्सन का विकेट आपको लगा. जैक्सन के बाद जो है विकेट्स की आपकी जड़ी लग गई. कहीं ना कहीं आपको ये कमी जरूर खली कि 20 से 30 रन आपका कम था.
या जरूर, क्योंकि टारगेट था कि 150 तक जाने का.
जी.
जो 2 विकेट गिरने के बाद जो कम.
नहीं, जैसा आप शुरू में खेल रहे थे मुझे तो लग रहा था कि आप 180 190 के आसपास जाएंगे. पर जब आपका कोलैप्स हुआ, आपके विकेट गिरने लगे, तो जो मेरा ख्याल, मेरा एक्सपीरियंस पर्सन था, एटलीस्ट कम से कम आप 150 160 बनाते तो उनको कहीं ना कहीं आप परेशानी में ऑलरेडी आपने डाल दिया था, तो एक अच्छी फाइट होती है और कहीं ना कहीं मैच आपके पल्ले में होता.
वही जो लास्ट ओवर तक तो मैच आया था 120 को पकड़ के.
जी.
हमने तो सिर्फ 10-12 रन की जो जिस टारगेट पे थे हम लोग 10-12 रन ज्यादा होते तो फाइटिंग करते.
कोई बात नहीं, आपने अच्छा खेला, अच्छा उनको भी बैकफुट पे धकेला, एक हार्ड मैच दिया.
हाँ विनेश भाई ट्रॉफी कौन देगा रन अप की? आप देंगे?
तो अभी ये है हमारे अयाज 11 के कैप्टन. कम ऑन अयाज. अयाज की पूरी टीम यहाँ है. अयाज 11 भाई अपनी रनअप की ट्रॉफी ले लो आप. ये कम बड़ा मौका नहीं है, कम बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं है आपके लिए. यहाँ तक आना भी बड़ी बात है. लड़का मुस्कुरा रहा है, सबसे ज्यादा ट्रॉफी इसने इकट्ठा किया है. ये लड़का बदमाश है, हर जगह इकट्ठा कर लेता है. KTCL हो या कोई TPL हो या कुछ भी हो. तो ये है अयाज के चैंपियंस धुरंधर, हाँ सॉरी रनर ट्रॉफी. ये कलेक्ट करेंगे. ये अपने कैमरों में आप ये तस्वीरें कुछ कैद कर सकते हैं इस मोमेंट्स को.
चेक नहीं बनाया आपने? आपने चेक नहीं बनाया? नहीं बनाया.
Come on guys, give them a big hand. Runner up for TPL season 4 के रन अप रही है अयाज 11 की टीम. बड़ी बात है यहाँ तक आना, बहुत सारे लीग, क्वार्टर, सेमी पहुंचना बड़ी बात है. कंग्रेचुलेशन टू ऑल ऑफ यू. और अब जिस चीजों का,
इस पे आऊँ ना डायरेक्ट.
अब जिस चीजों का हम सबका इंतजार, जिस ट्रॉफी के लिए हम सब यहाँ आए थे, जिस ट्रॉफी के लिए इतना लंबा टूर्नामेंट चला है, जिस ट्रॉफी के लिए बहुत सारे झगड़े.
हेलो हेलो हेलो. कोई बात नहीं, मेरी आवाज ऐसी का. जिस ट्रॉफी के लिए हम सब यहाँ इकट्ठा हुए थे, जिस ट्रॉफी के लिए TPL सीजन 4 रखा गया था, जिस ट्रॉफी के लिए बहुत सारे मैच खेले गए, बहुत सारे यहाँ पे तू हुई, मैं हुई, बहुत सारे झगड़े हुए, बहुत से लोग खुश नाखुश हुए. अब है उस ट्रॉफी की बारी. तो मैं यहाँ पे इनवाइट करना चाहूंगा कैप्टन ऑफ FCC कुवैत के कैप्टन. प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज. कंग्रेचुलेशन सर. मैंने पहले भी आपसे इंटरव्यू लिया था और आपसे पूछा था, आपने टॉस जीत के जो फील्डिंग लिया था, कहीं ना कहीं आप उसमें कामयाब हुए। English? You want English? Okay.
Yeah, I did.
No, okay. I ask you there,
Okay.
what's the reason and what's the purpose you win the toss and elect the field?
Like the field.
Yeah.
We are strong for.
You told me that time there is a weather condition and you want to get the benefit from air, right? And I think you get it the benefit and they get the loss.
Now, what do you mean, like the weather? Like we have a very strong bowling lineup.
Yeah.
So getting the other team in less, low target can be advantage for us.
Yeah.
We have the batsmen to play, they get the runs. We know the IMC is a very good team. They always score in more than 200 and also getting them below 120 or 130 was our target, and we were able to do that. Our bowlers done very well. They have been very strict to the point. Their line was very good, and we were getting wickets from the very first over. We started getting wickets, and each interval, when they were about to go strong, we got the wickets. Like for example, Jackson was about to take the game from away from us, and we got him. And 123-2 was a very par score, and it was a defendable totally.
Yeah, and there is a big appreciation. You get the wicket in the starting, but you cannot stop the score for Ayans 11s.
Exactly.
They are make the proper level 10 overs, 11s over per over run. Sorry.
Yeah.
But you have to give the appreciation Anshal and Abdul Razzaq.
Yes.
When they are come in the attacks, you get the more wicket, from 93 to 5 and 122.
Now, I'll tell you one more thing.
Yeah.
We got the wicket first over. Ismail's over itself, we got a wicket.
Yeah.
Second over, we got one more. Third over, we got. So we were getting wicket all the time. We know that they are a very good team. They have batsmen till 9 or 10. Their batting lineup is so good. So getting wickets is like very important for us, and the bowlers stuck to the point. They got the wickets, and 120, getting them below 130, we won it there. Actually, we won the match there.
And also you want to appreciate Siraz Khan. He make the good score, and also Farooq. He's the build make the 18 in some balls, but is the very good score for make the winning the game for this TPL season.
Yeah, I mean, once we got them below 120, it was about like playing safe, not to lose wickets, and getting punishing the loose balls. We did that, and we have been playing. First of all, I want to thank the organizer, Blackstone, for creating and conducting such a wonderful tournament. We always were part of this, and we almost got near to the end most of the times. And this is our first trophy in our whole career.
Congratulations.
So, thank you, and we are happy.
Congratulations for this.
Yeah.
So now the time you get the trophy, and what about say this trophy? Did you say ever like this trophy?
I mean, I told you the tournament
So
was
we
really
have to
good.
say thanks to management of TPL season 4, a big appreciation
I
for
haven't
this
seen such a
great
big trophy.
tournament.
I haven't seen such a big trophy.
Now the time for champion, I gonna be side. You have to collect this trophy. No more there is celebration like this. So आप ये celebration देख सकते हैं. रज़ाक भाई ऐसे पकड़ो ना. तो आप ये सेलिब्रेशन देख सकते हैं. ये बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी है, मामूली नहीं होता है, छोटी बात नहीं होती है किसी भी टीम को रनर अप बनना. हम आपसे चाहते हैं चैंपियन बनना. ये क्या बात है. ये बात विनर और चैंपियन है ये टीपीएल सीजन 4 के. तो गाइस हम अब आप बढ़ते हैं कॉन्सोलेशन की तरफ. माइक तो बंद हो गया, इसमें ही बोलना पड़ता है, कोई बात नहीं. So we have our organizer Mr. Vinesh, some lines for our everything who is watching live. Where is the Vishnu? Sir, please Vishnu come from live. We have to say something about our audience and about team, about everything. Ladies and gentlemen, as we come to close of this wonderful evening, we celebrate not just the champions, but the spirit of the cricket brought us all together. This season was the Tennis Premier League has shown a passion, discipline, teamwork and unforgettable moments to every team, every player, every captain, every volunteer, every supporter. Thank you for making this tournament true and success. Your disciplines is what keeps the TPL growing stronger year after year, year and year. Congratulations once again to our champions, our finalist and award winner. Let's us to carry forward this energy and enthusiasm into the next season. We continue build a more vibrant cricketing community in Kuwait. So thank you so much for management, especially for Vinesh Bhai and Vishnu Bhai. Thank you for all being here. Have a wonderful night and see you in the next season, KTCL season 5, very soon as possible. TPL, sorry. Sorry, I'm really sorry, TPL.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, bhai.
You've done a good job.
Thank you so much.